Most of us are driving around in our truck making sales calls all day. We're sitting in our office returning phone calls or making sure that the construction site is inspected or the oil patch is inspected. And then we get off work, and that's when we do what we love to do, whether that's shooting stuff or fishing, or if you're a person that loves knives and you opened your own business online, this is the business you would have opened. You and me, we would have. It's called 12 Mile Board. It's Daniel and Jack Robinson, Louisiana boys. It's their dream. And I'm not saying you need to buy anything, but if you opened a business that was your dream, and it was hunting knives, fishing knives, military knives, tactical knives, survival knives, I'd tell people to go there and support it, and that's what I'm doing. So just check it out, 12mileboard.com.